I'm Kris, and today I'm a grocery shopping for soccer snack plate.
I'm Joelle, and I'll turn his picks into a goal-worthy dish. This is I Shop, You Cook.
Hi, Kris. Welcome to the Tasty Grocery Store.
Hi.
Do you like playing soccer?
Yeah.
Do you like eating cereal?
Yeah. I like carrot cookies.
Got some carrots and some cookies. We got 3 more ingredients to pick.
Free cereal. Coconut. Lollipop.
You like coconut lollipops?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Blueberries.
You like the berries?
Yeah. It's time to cook.
So here we have all of Kris's ingredients. I am excited and terrified to see what he picked for me. So right off the top, I see some fruity cereal. Delightful, delicious. This seems appropriate for a sport team snack. I love sugary cereals. Oh, paired perfectly with some carrots. My go-to pairing, in fact, with fruity cereal. Next we have, okay, lollipops. I haven't seen or touched a lollipop in like years. I kind of forgot that this was like a popular childhood snack. Oh, it's brown. Wait, it looks, it looks healthy. It kind of seems like it'd be handmade, not like from a factory. Well, that'll be fun. Next we have some blueberries. That's versatile. I feel like there's probably a lot I could do with this. Maybe pairs well with the carrots. And then good old sandwich cookies. Delicious, a little chocolate in the mix. I really don't know how these go together, guys. I'm feeling really confident, as you can tell. But see, kids are really honest and really critical and hyper-specific. So I'm a little scared because I don't take criticism very well. So I think I have an idea of where to start, and I'm just hoping the inspiration comes to me as we get started. So let's get cooking. So the first and I think easiest ingredient integration is the sandwich cookies. I don't know if y'all have seen that Japanese cheesecake Greek yogurt thing that went really viral. It was all over my feed and it was so simple. You just take some Greek yogurt and shove a bunch of cookies in it. And effectively the yogurt just hydrates the cookies and it makes kind of like a chocolate cheesecake, hopefully. I think I can fit around 4 cookies in here, I want to say. I'm sorry, Mom, that's a lot of cookies. In order to give these enough time to hydrate, I'm gonna go put this in the fridge and then grab our next ingredients. I think I have a plan for the carrots. Dehydrated veggie chips. I feel like that'd be perfect. Kids would enjoy it. I'm gonna season it with some furikake, which is one of my favorite seasonings just to throw on anything. Just gonna peel the outer layers off. Delightful. All right, so now on my greased baking sheet with some parchment paper, I'm just gonna lay down my carrot strips one by one. I don't want them to overlap. I'm just making one layer. Now that my carrots are all laid out, I'm gonna just spray them with a little bit more cooking spray. I'm gonna season it heavily with furikake, a seaweed and sesame often mix. Can never do a little too much. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the oven at 300 for around 20 minutes, and you just wanna toss them halfway so they get evenly cooked. So for this next little snack, I feel like it'd be really fun to incorporate the fruity cereal with a bunch of other yummy little crunchy Crispies for a kind of sweet savory snack. I'm gonna melt some butter. Now that my butter is melted, I'm gonna be melting down some marshmallows, and I think it'd be really fun to mix in the fruity cereal with some other sweet and savory snacks for a kind of Rice Krispie treat. It smells so good. I wish you could smell this. In my big bowl, I'm gonna be combining the fruity cereal, some rice cereal, and some little pretzel bits. I'm gonna pour over my marshmallow. Next, I'm just gonna toss it so that everything gets evenly coated. I thought it'd be fun to make them little individual donut shapes for Kris to share with his friends. I'm gonna use 2 little spatulas to distribute my cereal mix into these 6 donut molds. So the finishing little touch on this is just going to be some tiny pieces of kettle corn to decorate. I'm just gonna let these set while I move on to our last 2 ingredients. Now for our last 2 ingredients, the blueberry, this dang lollipop. It reminded me of a Chinese snack I've had called Tanghulu. It is a candied fruit normally served on a stick, really popular street food across Asia. To start off, I'm gonna make the candied coating, and I'm just taking 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water. You might laugh at me, but I think that we are getting really really creative. I'm gonna grate this lollipop into the sugar. So you might be wondering why I'm not just melting down this whole lollipop. I'm kind of afraid that it might burn and not harden to like the level of crunchiness that I'm going for the Tanghulu. Well, I'm gonna be here literally all day grating this lollipop. We have the coconut sugar color incorporating. Based off the fragrance right now, it's gonna taste really good in like a coconut lollipop. I'll see you in 1,000 years once I finish grating this lollipop. Traditionally, you would make this on the stove, but we have a little hack. You can throw it in the microwave. We're gonna put it in for about 5 minutes until it's a deep amber color, and it's gonna be ready to candy our blueberries. We'll see you in a bit. Admittedly, the sugar took a little longer than 5 minutes in the microwave, but that's okay. It gave me extra time to skewer all of my blueberries. It's nice to have it cover the sharp top part. My hot sugar has arrived, and fancy thermometer. You want your sugar to be 300 degrees to get that nice crispy outside. So the nice thing about using a container like this is that you can just tilt it to get all the way up to the top blueberries. I'm just rotating it in. Ooh, and you want to let it drip off a little bit. I am going to dip it in some ice water to cool. Kris picked a lollipop. I feel like took it a step further. Dare I say a cultural dessert or snack. I hope that they love it. These are really popular, and I'm a big fan of Tanghulu, so let's get this plated up. We have all of our little snack plate components, our beautiful little cookie sandwich parfait. Our carrot chips turned out so beautiful. Next we have our little donut Rice Krispie treats. I feel like these turned out so well. And then lastly, beautiful. What an exciting snack plate. This is my jam. Child-friendly snack plate. Hopefully he likes it. I'm so scared for what is about to happen, but we're gonna have a good time. And I will not let a child make me cry if he doesn't like it. So let's go see if this is the ideal snack that Kris wants after a long day playing some soccer. And I'm gonna go get him right now.
I'm excited to try this one because it's so sweet. I like it because it's so really crunchy, like a donut. I'm gonna try this next. Wow! So it's cookie crunchy. I like a donut butter. I'm gonna try this next. I don't like it, the coconut. This one. Yeah. The topping is yummy. Two are my favorite. And this one, this two, then.
So I see that there were some hits and there were some misses. Tell me, what do you think would make these better?
Because it's so ill and...
It's so ew?
Yeah.
I've been there. That's real. Have you had Tanghulu before?
Yeah.
You have?
In the China.
We tried making Tanghulu with coconut lollipop because you told us that you liked coconut.
Coconut.
You like coconut lollipops?
Yeah.
Do you not like coconut?
Yeah.
Okay, good to know. Overall, what would you rate it? What grade would you give me?
Like.
Like? I'll take it. Well, thanks so much. Great job. Did you have fun today?
Yeah.
Yeah? Thanks for coming by.
Bye.